Bonjour, on continue à apprendre les nombres. Let's continue learning the numbers. In the previous video, we have seen the numbers till 60, and in this video, we will continue from 61 onwards. Before I start, I would like to tell you that at the end of this video, there will be a quiz. So it is better that you should revise first the numbers and then you take the quiz. Like that you will be able to assess your own knowledge, that you know how many numbers in French, how good you are in telling the numbers. Alors, we continue. Till 60 we have seen 60. 60 it is 60. And when we continue, it is 61, 61, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Et après? Alors, 60 plus 10, it would be 60, 10. Not very difficult, just 60 it is 60, and 60 plus 10, 70, 70. Now, after 10 it is 11. So we will say 71. 71. Like that, it is 60 plus 11. 60 plus 11, 71. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77, 78, 79. What do you think? What will be the next number? It is 20 multiply 4. So it is 80. 4 times 20, which is 80. 80. As we are saying that 20 is 4 times, so we are putting s at the end of 20. 80. Mais attention, when we say 81, there will be no s at the end of 1. When we say 81, there will be no s. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. There is no s at the end of 1 here. S we are putting only when it is 80, 80. Now, 90 is, we know already that 20 multiply 4, 80 plus 10. So in 80 we are just adding 10 more numbers. So it will be 90. Alors, it is 90. 90. Not so difficult. 90. And 91. 91. Be careful, here we will not say 91. No, no, no. It is 91. 91. What comes after 11? 12. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. And the last number, what do you think? It will be again a lot of multiplication? No, it is very simple. cent, cent. Just be careful, we do not pronounce the last letter T. It is cent. The last letter T silent. After 100, it is very easy. 101, 101, 102, 103, so 104, 105, 106. Like that it will continue and it will be 110, it would be 110, 110. 120, 120. 150, 156, 180. Alors, 200. When it is 200, if it is only 200, we are adding s at the end of 100, 200, because it is more than 1 now. 200, 300, 400, like that, it will be s at the end. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Be careful, I will say 500, not 500. 600, not 600. 600, 500, 600, 700, 800, 800, oui. I will not pronounce the last letter T. 800, 900. But if it is 200 and something, for example 250, I will say 250 and I will not add the s at the end of 100. If it is only 200, 300, 400, I will add the s at the end of 100. But when it is 200 and something, if it is followed by another number, then there will be no s. Alors, 250, 343, 414. You see, I didn't add any s at the end of 100. 569. Be careful, I will say 500, not 500. 569. 1000. How do we say 1000? 1000. 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 10,000. Did you notice something? I did not add the s at the end of meal, because with meal we never add the s at the end. For 100 we are putting the s at the end when it is 200, 300, 400, but when it is 1000 we don't put. No. Alors, get ready for the quiz. Bon, on commence. Before I start, I tell you one thing. I will say the number in French and you will try to write it. And after I will show you which number did I say, and you can correct your mistake if you have done. I hope you don't do the mistake. Alors, bonne chance. So the first number is 12. 12. What is this number? 12. 12. 12. Next one. 23. 23. 23. 23. I hope it was correct. It is easy. 47. Think of it. 47. Oui, bravo, if your answer was correct. Okay, 72. 72. Be careful, I said 72. Oui, 60. 60 is 60. 12, it is 12. So 60 plus 12, 72, 72. 85. 85. 85. Oui, 85. 85. 85. Next one is 69. 69. Oui. 69. 69. 93. I used to hate these numbers. 93. Oui, 93. For me, it used to be very difficult, but if you could give the correct answer, you are amazing. Now, the last one is 1987. 1900. 1987. Oui, c'est ça, 1987. Moi, je suis né en 1987. I was born in 1987. 1987. Et vous? Vous êtes né en quelle année? En quelle année? In which year you were born? Laissez un commentaire. À bientôt!